So here we have a customer's Shogun, which has had extensive servicing. And let's see if Mr. Chippie is out there. Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippie. Receiving.
Tango 21 receiving loud and clear.
Excellent, okay. So, apart from the dry joints, what was it? Oh yes, ceramic filter broken. The receiver IF subsystem chip had to be replaced. Open circuit Zener diode in the transmitter regulator. Oh, about half a dozen electricity capacitors, and there we go. Now, we've done a servicing video on the Shogun about 4 years ago. I'm not going to start repeating radios we've done 4 years ago because the information's correct. But we hadn't done an on-the-air test, so we do the on-the-air test with this.
Passing Ancaster service station.
Roger, got you at Ancaster service station. Roger, got you at Ancaster Crossroads. Back in 1981, when these were £99, a very desirable radio. It was slim and different, and not from the usual stables, and they work well, and they build quality is nearly that of business radio quality. Unfortunately, the toll of time, 38 years later, they're riddled with dry joints, and they're very expensive to start doing work on when you've got to do so much work to them. So I certainly won't be looking on eBay for one.
Just going over the top of the hill as we descend towards Wilsford.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill. That was quick.
Roger Dodger, sounds very nice, that set.
Well, they were one of the best at the time. It's got its factory microphone.
Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, going round Scratchy Corner, Wilson, over.
Roger, got you loud and clear, going round Scratchy Corner. Roger, got you going over Wilsford Level Crossing, loud and clear.
Well, just passing the Kelby turn.
Roger, got you going through the Kelby turn.
Well, we're now passing the Greyleys turn.
Roger, got you surprisingly well at the Greyleys turn.
Going over raw speed level crossing.
Roger, got you going over raw speed level crossing, and that concludes the test if you'd like to come back to base. Thank you. Okay, well, that works great. So, I'm sure the customer will be a happy bunny, and it'll live on a few more years. We do have a Shogun, and I know ours was a swine as well with the dry joints. Right, I will do a piece to our base station, and as I've said before, there's a whine on that from the inverter it's running from, because we've got no electricity in that room at the moment, so it's running on a battery through an inverter. So it's not this radio generating the whine, it is the inverter. Tango 21 testing the customer's Shogun radio into our Harrier CBHQ base station. Testing 12345 54321. Thank you for watching.